Okay, good morning. Welcome to Share to Make Money online business presentation. In this video, I'll explain to you how simple and convenient and fast way for you to earn online from the comfort of your home. So welcome po mga kabayan, and this is a global business. Anyway, this is Edwin, owner, admin of Share to Make Money. Okay, sabi nga po ni Robert Kiyosaki sa cash flow quadrant niya, there are four types of income sources: either employment, you are self-employed, business, and investments. Sa business po or sa employment, you all do the work for you. So, kailangan mo ang oras para kumita. Pag hindi po kayo nagtrabaho, wala din po kayong income. So, there's no leverage in employment. And on business or self-employed, you own your job, like doctors, engineers, still no leverage. You have time, don't have time, you earn from your own effort. So this is the left side of the quadrant, you only earn from your own effort. While the right side of the quadrant, which is the business, you own a system and network of people works for you. So you have people under you working for you. This is what we call the passive income. And an investor's investment is for the rich na ang pera na nila ang pinapatakbo nila. But paano po tayo makakapunta sa investor? We have to start on have your own business. A business is a passive and residual income. Residual po ay dahil once yun lang gagawin, you can create a network of people that will work for you, then you'll earn a residual income later. So, hindi nyo na po masyado ginagawa or tinatrabaho, may income pa rin pumapasok. That's residual income, passive and residual income. You earn from other effort. Okay? Now, Robert Kiyosaki, a famous author, said that we need to be on the right side of the quadrant if you want to have financial freedom. So lahat naman po tayo gusto magkaroon ng financial freedom, it's our ultimate goal. Then we need to be on the right side. Hindi naman po tayo pwede maging investor dahil wala naman po tayong pera pa sa ngayon. So let's start on business. So paano po makapagsimula ng business na hindi masyado malaki ang demand sa inyo? You can start it from home, napakaliit na capital, and napaka-convenient po. Walang pressure, no selling involved na kailangan nyo mag-stock up ng products. And that what Share to Make Money, a life-changing evolution of network marketing. So what we offer? We offer as you can start your own business, slow capital lang po. You will have a passive income and residual income from the work you will do today. Then you can have a residual income after a year na hindi nyo naman kailangan gawin masyado to. Still, mag-income pa rin, papasok pa rin income sa inyo. That's residual income. Generate income immediately from home. So you can earn from home, mabilisan, global opportunity, wala po tong boundaries. Anywhere in the world, you can do this. Okay? You get the relevant education you need to succeed in life. So, natututo pa tayo, you're earning while learning. Okay? Lucrative compensation plan, proven marketing system. This is a long-term marketing plan, will never overpay, sustainable, so kailangan lang po natin trabahuin. Okay? Now, making money online has never been easier. So, dollars po ang kitaan dito. Okay? Now, what are our products and services? We have digital products. Sabi nga ni Zig Ziglar, you can make positive deposits in your economy every day by reading and listening to powerful, positive, life-changing content and by associating with encouraging, hope-building people. So yun lang po. For you to become rich in all areas in life, physical, financial, career, business, relationship, we believe that you first need to create a solid personal foundation upon which you can build your success. So, kailangan po natin ma-develop para magkaroon ng solid um, foundation for our success. We have our ebook product and services that can be your tool to empower yourself to create a solid foundation for your success. Life is a never-ending process of learning. So as a member of Share to Make Money program, you will have access to our growing digital ebooks. So we have ebooks library with a wide variety of topics from personal development, health, hobbies, online marketing, recipes, parenting, relationships, and a lot more. So itong ebooks na po ito, mag-grow po ito, sabi nga growing. So we'll add on more ebooks in the future and more members benefits. Compensation plan. So this is the main of the program na dapat mo maintindihan how our business plan works. Okay, nandito na po yung paano kikita sa bahay sa pamamagitan ng share to make money. Sabi nga po motto natin, it is in sharing that we are blessed. Share nyo lang po itong opportunity to other people and you will be blessed. Okay? There are 3 types of membership. You can choose which membership type will suit you. So, pwede kung pumili kayo kung ano kung gusto nyo pasok ng membership. You can upgrade your membership to higher membership anytime you want by 2 ways po. You have to pay your membership fee, the higher membership fee, or you can use your points. You will earn points here to upgrade your account. So, okay. Now, this is the membership, okay? 3 types of members. This is the basic membership. It's a 25 membership fee with $5 one-time setup fee of your own website. You will have your own replicated or referral link, your own personal website that you will use to promote your business. This is a $30 yearly membership. Next is our silver membership. It's a $40 membership fee with the same $5 one-time setup fee. It's a 45 yearly membership. Then the gold membership. It's a $70 membership fee, one-time setup fee, and $75 yearly membership. So kagandahan po nito, we are still in pre-launch. Before July 8, mag-join kayo before July 8 to be a founding member. Founding members will have a lifetime membership. So wala pong expiration ang inyong membership. One time payment lang po, hindi wala mag-renew yearly. Okay? But after July 8, those members na mag-join will have to renew yearly. The good thing with a renewal yearly, you'll earn again after a year dun sa groups nyo, sa ilalim nyo. Okay? Basic member has less products or ebooks than silver and gold member. Gold member has more ebooks than silver members. Yung po pagkakaiba nila, mas maraming benefits syempre po yung higher membership. And earn more on higher membership. Mas malaki potential yung kitain pag nasa higher membership kayo. Okay? Saka ang incentives natin, ang point system natin and incentives are for gold members only. Sa basic and silver membership, you can use your points to upgrade to gold membership. Pero once you're in gold, yung points po is magagamit nyo po sa mako-convert nyo to cash or magagamit nyo for our incentive program. Okay. Our compensation plan sa 3x3 matrix structure. So, ibig po sabihin, tatlo po yung nasa first level nyo at tatlo bawat sa isang tao nakadugtong sa first level up to 3 levels po. Dun po yung inyong matrix structure or your network na bubuoin, okay? Hanggang third level lang po. So, madali lang po to. Okay, this is you. Kailangan nyo lang po magdala ng 3 tao or more. Bakit mas maganda po mas marami? Para po makatulong kayo sa inyong sa tao sa ilalim nyo, may spill over po, malalagay sa ilalim din ng mga tao nyo. Once you have your 3, yung pang-apat po na ma-refer nyo will be spill over under your downlines. So, natutulungan po nyo sila. Then yung 3 po, nagdala ng 3, tiga-3, so may 9 positions sa second level nyo. And these 9 people will bring in 3 or more people. So, 27 ang inyong third level. So, ilang tao lang po to? 3, 9, 12, and 27. Around 60 people lang po yan. No. Okay, 39. Right? 39 people lang po ang kailangan nyo para kumita paulit-ulit. Unlimited income from home. So, paano po yon? Once you are basic member, you will earn $5 per position. So, dito po sa first level, kung basic kayo, you'll earn 5% on your first level. On your second level, you'll earn $10 at 10% per position. So, 10% na ang kikitain sa bawat position sa 9 positions. Then, on third level, you'll earn 15% per position. Saan po kukunin ng percentage? Percentage is based on the membership level. Yung sa gold, yung sa silver, it doesn't matter po. Nang titingnan po is the 5%, 10%, 15 pesos percent kung nasaan po siya. Then, once you sponsor a new member, you'll earn $2 for sponsor commission. And once you complete this matrix, na kumpleto nyo po, you'll earn a $20 cycle bonus. Now, on silver members naman, lumataas na po. Yung the first level niya, instead of 5, silver member gets 10% on each 3 person na sa ilalim niya. And on the second level, kikita po kayo ng 15% sa siyam na tao. Then on the third level, you'll earn 20% sa membership fee nila on the third level. So 27 position na kikita kayo ng 20 per position. Then ang sponsor commission nyo po is $3 and $40 for cycle. Now, on gold member will earn 15%. 15% na po per position sa first level nyo pa lang. And a gold member also earns 20% sa second level per position. And your third level, 25% na kikitain ng bawat position sa bawat position. And you earn $5 sponsor commission. And once you complete your matrix, you will earn a 60 cycle bonus. Okay? Now, how to fill a matrix? Don't worry po dahil hindi naman po lahat kayo magdadala ng 3, ng 9, ng 27 sa inyong network. This will come from either from your personal referrals. This is your personal referrals. From spillover, these are the referrals of the people above you. So, halimbawa kung ito po kayo, then may 3 na po siya, yung upline nyo, kumuha siya ng pang-4, saan po mapupunta? Mapupunta po yung pang-4 sa ilalim nyo. So, the system fills the matrix from left to right, first level, then left to right, then pag puno na, if i-spill over lang niya yung mga tao sa ilalim nyo. Okay? These are the spill over, these are the referrals of the people above you. Spill under. Spill under naman po, halimbawa ito kayo, itong lalaking to nag-refer ng kanyang kaibigan, so mapupunta second level nyo. So, kumita po kayo from the effort of the person below you. Random referrals. Random referrals is the company referrals given to members in random. So, tutulong po ang company magganap ng referrals para sa mga members. So, ang mga members na wala pong sponsor will be given to any members sineselect ng system randomly. Okay? Re-entry. These are the new position of your referrals once they cycle and re-enter. Gandaan sa system na to, once you have your referrals, hindi na pumawala sa inyo yun. Once napuno niya po ang kanyang matrix, mag-re-enter lang siya sa ilalim uli niya kung saan bakante. So, kikita uli kayo sa taong yun. Okay? Now, basic membership income potential. O, ito po yung mga figures. Pakita na po natin. Basic members earn $2 sponsor commission per referral. And pag nag-re-entry yung refer nyo, you'll earn another $2. Basic members earn $20 a cycle income. They complete the matrix. So pag napuno nyo po yung 3x3, kikita pa kayo ng additional $20 a cycle bonus or income. Now, ang basic entry is 25 plus $5 setup fees, so $30. Ito po yung inyong income potential. Income potential per level. So, first level, sabi nga natin, we have 5%, second level, 10%, third level. So, pag pumasok po sa inyo is, ilalim nyo is basic entry, basic member, sa first level nyo, may $1.5 kayo. So, kung 3 yung pumasok na basic member sa ilalim nyo sa first level, you'll earn 3.75, total 3.75. You'll earn in real time. Hindi po kailangan mapuno yan. Once na pumasok na isa lang, may $1.5 agad kayo. Then, assuming sa second level, may pumasok din na basic, you'll earn $2 and point and 50 cents, okay? Times 9. So, lahat po, halimbawa, lahat is nasa basic lang, na third level, second level nyo, you'll earn 22, total of $22. On your third level, 15% na kayo. So, sa basic entry na $25 times 15%, so you'll earn 3.75 per position. So, 27 position po yung nandun. So, total of $101.25. So, total matrix income nyo is 127.50. That's the minimum na pwede nyo pong kitain sa sa matrix nyo. Once na napuno nyo po ito, meron pa kayong bonus na $20. So, total income nyo, pag napuno yung matrix nyo with all basic members below you, you'll earn 147.50 US dollars. So, paano man naman po pag ang pumasok sa inyo is mga silver member. The silver member, $40 sa membership fee nila. So, times 0.5 sa first level, may $2 ka na sa bawat silver na papasok. And your second level, $4 na sa silver members kikitain nyo. And pag sa third level nyo na bumagsak ang silver member, you'll earn $6. So, if ever na ang first level, second, third level nyo is lahat silver, at napuno nyo to, your total income is $204. Then, plus cycle bonus income of $20. So, total earnings nyo po, potential earnings is $224. So, what if gold naman ang pumasok sa ilalim nyo? Sa first level nyo, is may 3.5 agad kayo. Then, on second level natin is 70 times 10%. So, $7 per position, per member, kung gold yung pumapasok sa ilalim nyo, second level. On your third level, times 15% na siya, so you'll earn $10.50 per position sa mga gold na napupunta sa third level nyo. So, ang total matrix income nyo will be $357 plus cycle bonus of $20. So, total income na pwede nyo kitain is $377. So, how much po yun? Almost 15,000 na po yun sa puhunan ninyo na $30. So, magkano lang yung $30? Around 1, 2. Okay? Now, ito pong income na to is the potential income kung ang gold, lahat is gold entries. Nasa basic members pa lang tayo. What if nag-join kayo as silver member? Now, silver members earn $3 per sponsor commission per referral. And you also earn $40 na as cycle income when you complete the matrix. Now, silver entry is 40 plus $5 setup fee. So, 45 lahat babayaran nyo. And the silver members income potential, income per level, mas mataas na po kaysa sa basic. Sa first level pa lang, 10% na. Well, sa basic, 5% lang kinikita na sa first level. Sa second level, 15%. While on third level, 20% na kikita nyo. Assuming sa basic entries na 25%, ang $25 ang entry, times 10%, you'll earn 2.5 times 3. So, 750. At kinita sa first level pa lang. Then, on the second level, you'll earn 3.75 na. Basic entry pa lang po yan. Then, third level, 20% na kayo. So, basic ang pumasok sa third level nyo, you'll earn $5 per position. That's the minimum na pwede nyo kitain pag silver kayo sa bawat position ng basic. Okay? Now, paano kung, the matrix income, total matrix income nyo is 176 for basic entries lang sa ilalim nyo. Basic cycle bonus nyo is 40, so your total income will be $216. Okay? You'll earn minimum of 216.25 pag silver members po kayo. This is just the minimum na pwede nyo kitain total sa isang matrix. Then, on silver entries naman na pumapasok sa entry sa ilalim nyo, sa first level, $4 na ang kikitain nyo. And sa second level, $6 per silver position. And on third level, $8 siya ang kikitain nyo on your third level na silver ang pumasok. Okay? Now, the total income is 282 plus $40 na cycle bonus. So, total income nyo po is 322 na kung panay silver ang pumasok sa ilalim nyo. Now, on gold naman, ito na ang kikitain nyo. Sa first level nyo, may $7 agad kayo sa bawat gold na pumasok sa first level nyo. And on second level, $10.5 na ang kikitain sa bawat position. And on third level, which is 20% ka na, so $14 na sa bawat gold na napunta sa ilalim nyo. It can be spill over, hindi nyo referral ng taong sa ilalim nyo. Okay? Now, so ang total income, matrix income na kikitain nyo sa mga gold entries is $493. So, plus cycle bonus nyo, pag napuno nyo ito, you'll earn $40. So, ang total income ninyo is $533.50. So, not bad po pag nakapuno kayo ng isang matrix from your starting capital, $45. One time lang po to, pwede kayo paulit-ulit na kumita ng $533.50. Okay? Next, assuming naman po, gold membership ng pinasok nyo. So, as gold member, you'll earn $5 sponsor commission. So, mas malaki na po ang kinikita nyo kada makapag-refer kayo, $5 na. And mas malaki din po ang cycle income nyo. Pag napuno nyo, you'll earn 60 as cycle income when you complete a matrix. Gold entry is 70 plus $5 setup fee, so 75 one-time payment. And these are your income potential. On the first level, 15% na po ang kikitain nyo. On second level is 20%. And on third level, 25%. So, compute po natin, pag basic entries ang pumasok sa first level nyo, $3.75 agad na kayo. Then, on second level, $5 na kayo sa mga basic entries na napunta sa second level nyo. And your third level, you'll earn 6.25. So, ang total income nyo, kung mga basic lang ang napunta sa inyo, is $225 agad. Plus yung 60 cycle bonus nyo. So, ang total income na pwede nyo kitain, minimum, pag gold kayo, is 285. That's the minimum na pwede nyo kitain sa isang complete matrix na basic entries lang na sa ilalim nyo. What if naman kung silver ang napunta sa ilalim nyo? Sa first level, $6 na kayo sa silver. Sa second level, $8. And the third level, $10 na kayo sa bawat silver na napunta sa third level nyo. Then, on total matrix income nyo will be $360. Total plus pa natin yung cycle bonus nyo na 60. So, ang total income nyo is $420. This is from silver entries only. Okay? Now, paano naman kung gold din ang napunta sa ilalim nyo? Ang gold entries naman, sa ilalim nyo, sa first level, you'll earn $10.5 per position. Tatlo po yun, so kaya total niyan is 31.5 kung lahat gold. Okay? On sa second level naman, $14 per position. Okay? And third level, pag gold na sa third level nyo, you'll earn $17.5. So, total matrix income potential nyo is 630 pag panay gold ang nasa ilalim ng matrix nyo. Plus your $60 income, cycle income. So, total income nyo po na max pwede nyo kitain sa one matrix, full matrix lang, is $690 once you're gold member. Not bad po from a one-time $75 investment. So, ito pong 690, this is the maximum and this is the minimum na pwede nyo kitain sa as a gold member. Then, ito po, hindi po limit ang pwede nyo kitain dito dahil paulit-ulit lang po ito mangyayari dahil once na puno nyo to, magkakaroon din kayo ng new position on or a new matrix na kung saan yung mga downlines nyo or referrals will also follow you dun sa bago yung matrix. So, kikita ulit kayo the same time, the same thing. Okay? So, paulit-ulit lang po. So, maximum potential, again, maximum potential for gold members sa isang full matrix na 3x3 is $690. So, malaki na po yan. Around, so, times 40 nyo po yan. So, 7 times 4. So, kano po yon? Sa 30 plus. Okay? Now, Compensation plan bullet points. Income computation is based on your membership type and the membership type of the people under your 3 by 3 matrix. So, combination na po to ng inyong members na nasa ilalim nyo. May silver doon, may gold, may basic. So, yun yung po total na pwede nyo kitain. Total income will depend on the membership type within your 3 by 3 matrix. Members enter back under sponsor matrix once they completed matrix. So, yun nga po, pag napuno nyo po yung inyong matrix, magkakaroon kayo ng a new position sa ilalim ulit ng inyong sponsor. So, kikita uli ang sponsor nyo sa entry nyo doon sa matrix. The same thing po, pag nag-follow yung mga downline nyo or referrals nyo sa inyo once they complete a matrix. So, ulit-ulit lang po mangyayari yon. So, the same thing, unlimited income, you can earn unlimited income per week, per day dito po sa ating programa. No need to cycle to earn. Hindi nyo po kailangan mapuno yon para kumita. You'll earn per position. So, may isa lang po pumasok sa ilalim nyo, may kita agad kayo in real time. So, real time yung makikita sa e-wallet nyo. Anytime pwede nyo withdrawin. Okay? You can purchase higher membership level or use points to upgrade. Kung halimbawa, basic kayo, gusto nyo punta sa silver or gold, you can buy the higher level. Hindi nyo na po kailangan magbayad ng 5% setup fee. Then, or you can use points to upgrade your account to higher membership to receive a higher percentage income. Saan po nakukuha ang points? You'll earn points every time you refer a new member. Once you refer a new member, you'll earn 10 points, okay? Pag nag-cycle kayo, 10 points ulit ang mag-i-earn nyo. Then, 100 points needed to upgrade basic to silver. Kung may 100 points na po kayo at basic kayo, pwede nyo nang gamitin to upgrade to silver membership. Kung nasa basic kayo or sa silver, kailangan nyo ng 150 points para maging gold member kayo. Okay? Now, only gold members are qualified for incentive. So, saan naman gagamitin ng gold member ang kanilang points? Sa incentives po. They can request us to convert 100 points to 50 US dollars. So, kapag may 100 points na po ang gold member, pwede niyang i-convert to sa 50 US dollars. Then, we have a 500 incentive. Just within 2 months, kung kaya nyo mag-accumulate ng 500 points within the first 2 months from joining, you'll earn $500. $1,000 incentive, this is 1,000 points within the first 4 months from joining date. So, kung hindi nyo na-hit itong 500, the first 2 months, kunti na lang, pwede nyo pang habulin yung 1,000 points within 4 months para makakuha ng $1,000 incentive. Okay? Now, start your journey with us, your financial freedom with us. Sabi nga nila, a journey to 1,000 miles will begin with a single step. And kailangan lang po natin para maabot ang ating pangarap is the determination. So take your first step today. So create nyo po yung free account nyo. Now, sign up kayo dun sa replicated site or personal website ng inyong sponsor. Okay? Thank you and God bless.